In this session of partial fraction, session 24, we turn towards linear repeated factor. This is a linear, and x plus 1 square means it repeat 2 times. Linear repeated factors. Okay, and then how to use partial fraction? Check here. By partial fraction, 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 bracket square into x plus 3. It can be written as a upon first factor plus b upon it repeat 2 times, so x plus 1 square. If it repeats cube is here, then again I take c over then remaining factor x plus 3. In this way we write it. किती वेळा रिपीट झाला आहे तेवढे कॉन्स्टंट घेत चला फक्त. ओके, इफ आय टेक एलसीएम by partial fraction written like this. This is partial fraction. Okay, then method is simple as usual. Then 3x minus 2, what we do? Take common denominator. So x plus 1 square, x plus 3. For x plus 1 square, what we do? It multiply by again x plus 1 and remaining factor x plus 3. For b, x plus 1 square already there. What is remaining factor? X plus 3. X plus 3 is here. What is remaining factor? X plus 1 square. Okay. Then here another way is equating coefficient, means we have to simplify it, or other way. Okay. What is equating coefficients of like terms? This is first way, and other as usual. At first factor x plus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 1. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 1 plus 1 0. Where x plus 1 put it, plus b into, see here, minus 1 plus 3 2, c into minus 1 plus 1 0. So from this we got value of b, and which is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Am I correct? Check yourself. Then next, add x plus 3, because repeat same factor is come, equal to 0. So take different factors. X equal to minus 3. Where x plus 3 put 0. But minus 3 into 3 minus 9 into minus 2 minus 11. X plus 3 0 means this is 0. X plus 3 0. Again you got value of c. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 square 4, and therefore you got value of c is minus 11 upon 4. Am I correct? Then how to find b? How to find one factor is remain, which is a's value. So for a, put other than these two values, any value. What I say, other than given 2, minus 1 and minus 3, you put any value for x. So I take any value, so I take x equal to 0. This is any value. Okay. ह्या सोडून x ची कोणतीही किंमत टाकायची. मी 0 टाकली. 3 into 0 0, minus 2 minus 2 equal to 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 3 3, 1 into 3 3, 3a plus 3b because x is 0 plus c. 0 plus 1, 1 the square 1. Am I correct? Put known values here. So minus 2 equal to 3a plus 3 into b plus c. And therefore, if we solve it, you got 3a equal to minus 2. 3 5 15 upon 2. Minus 15 upon 2 when goes to that side. It becomes plus 15 upon 2. Minus 11 by 4 goes to that side. Plus 11 by 4. So make equal denominator 4. 4. So multiplied by 4 we got minus 8. For 4 multiply 8 by 2 plus 30 plus 11. Okay. Minus 8 plus 30 22 plus 11, that is 33 upon 4. 3a equal to 33 upon 4, and therefore what is value of a? Divide by 3. 3 ones 11 threes, 11 upon 4. These are the three values, and here partial fraction over. And therefore what we got? Therefore equation 1 becomes, and therefore from 1 a, what is value of a? A is 11 upon 4. b is minus 5 upon 2. c minus 11 upon 4. Am I correct? These are the two values, and then we have to find its integration. आपल्याला याचं इंटिग्रेशन घ्यायचं आहे, and therefore I equal to constant outside integration of 1 upon x plus 1 dx, 5 upon 2 constant 1 upon x plus 1 square with respect to x minus 11 by 4 outside integration of 1 upon x plus 3 with respect to x. Am I correct? And that is equal to 1 upon x, 11 upon 4 log of x plus 1, coefficient of 1, no need of writing it, minus 5 upon 2. Its question, x plus 1 square, when goes to numerator, you got x plus 1 raised to minus 2, add 1 and write same part in denominator. So you got x plus 1 raised to minus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1, means its answer is minus 1 upon x plus 1 किंवा 1 upon x square, 1 upon x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह minus 1 upon x square, साइन चेंज केला झाला इकडे minus 11 upon 4 again log of x plus 3 plus constant of integration c. Here 11 upon 4, here also 11 upon 4. So I take 11 upon 4 common, log of log a minus log b, x plus 1 upon x plus 3 minus plus 5 upon 2 into bracket x plus 1 plus constant of integration c, and this is the problem. Repeat C again step by step, okay, and solve it. One more problem of linear repeated factors, 5x square plus 20x plus 6 as usual, okay. सध्या तरी degree of numerator is less than denominator, no need of dividing it, so which is equal to, as it is, 5x square plus 20x plus 6. Yes, x cube 2x square x is common, so what is remaining part? X square plus 2x plus 1. If I take x common with respect to x, am I correct? And then 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into what about this? Yes, it is nothing but x plus 1 bracket square, linear repeated factors, okay, by partial fraction. As usual, integrate 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 bracket square equal to a upon first factor plus b upon second factor plus c upon square alike square. By making equal denominator, I got इक्वल डिनॉमिनेटर करायचं असेल तर ए ला कशाने मल्टिपल करावं लागेल? एक्स प्लस 1 स्क्वेअर. फॉर बी x into x plus 1 and for c only x. Then method is simple. What is it? Put first factor equal to 0. So you got 0, 0, 6. A into 1. 0 into something 0, c into 0 0. So value of a equal to 6. Similarly, second factor, put x plus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 1. So you got 5 into minus 1 square 5 plus 6 11 minus 20 11 minus 20 minus 9 equal to, okay, x plus 1 0, x plus 1 0, c x equal to minus 1. So what is value of c? C equal to plus 9. Minus minus becomes plus. Now other than these two value, for value of b, other than these two means other than 0 and minus 1, put any value. So I put x equal to 1. So you got 5 plus 20, 25 plus 6, 31. Am I correct? 5, 25 plus 6, 21, 31 equal to a into 1 plus 1, 2 चा square, 4, b into 1 into 1 plus 1, 2, c into 1, c. Putting these two known values, you got, आपल्याला कोणाची व्हॅल्यू काढायची? b ची. And therefore 2b equal to 31 minus 4a minus c, a 6 minus c 9. So check it. And therefore what is value of b? 31 minus 24 minus 9 upon 2. So you got, yes, what is value of b? Minus 24 minus 9, 9 आणि 4 13, 31 minus 33 minus 2 upon 2. So value of b is minus 1. And therefore our partial fraction becomes, therefore this becomes 5x square plus 20x upon 6xa. What is value of a? A ची value 6, b ची value minus 1, c ची value 9, and here partial fraction over. असा हा partial fraction. याच्या पुढे याचा काय घ्यायचं आहे आपल्याला? इंटिग्रेशन. and therefore I equal to 6 upon 6 into constant outside with respect to x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 9 into 1 upon x plus 1 square dx, and that is equal to 6 1 upon x log x minus log of x plus 1 plus 9 1 upon x square कुणाचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे minus 1 upon x plus c, because derivative of 1 upon x equal to minus 1 upon x square निगेटिव्ह साईड फक्त इकडे जाऊ द्या, संपला तुमचा प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, आता लॉगचा रूल वापरता येईल का इथं? नाही. लास्ट स्टेप 6 log x minus log of x plus 1 plus minus 9 upon x plus 1 plus constant of integration c, and hence the problem. Okay, this is substitution problem in linear repeated factors. How? Let us check. Integration of 3 sin x minus 2 into cos x upon 5 minus 4 sin x minus cos square x. One factor is different cos, it is a derivative of sine, so convert remaining problem in sine. So what I do only, instead of cos square I put 1 minus sine square, and so we got 3 sin x minus 2 into cos x upon 5 minus 4 sin x minus 1 minus sine square x dx. Simplified, so we got 3 sin x minus 2 into cos x upon 5 minus 4 sin x minus 1 plus sine square x dx, that is equal to integration of 3 sin x minus 2 into cos x upon sine square x minus 4 sin x plus 4. Am I correct? Then put sin x equal to t, and therefore if we differentiate it, we got cos x dx equal to dt. So our integral becomes, therefore our integral becomes 3 sin x minus 2 into cos x dx dt, here dx, t square minus 4t plus 4, and I think it is a square of something. What is that? 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 bracket square dt, and here we got repeated factors, and therefore by partial fraction. Here we write by partial fraction. This factor 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 bracket square equal to a upon first factor, b upon it repeat twice, so t minus 2 bracket square. Then 3t minus 2 equal to a into t minus 2 plus b. Am I correct? Original method, multiply inside, so you got 3at minus 2a plus b. Okay, instead of 0, put equating like terms, equating coefficient of t, so and constant term. coefficient of t 3, coefficient of t a, first step directly a मिळाला, and constant -2 equal to term free from t -2a plus b, and therefore what is value of b? -2 plus 2a, -2 plus 2 into 3 6, म्हणजेच किती 4. b ची व्हॅल्यू किती मिळाली? 4 मिळाली. ह्या किमती कुठे टाकून द्या? 1 मध्ये टाकून द्या. and therefore from 1 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 bracket square equal to a, 3 upon t minus 2 plus b, 4 upon t minus 2 bracket square, and therefore our integral becomes 3 upon t minus 2 plus 4 upon t minus 2 bracket square dt. Let us check again, and therefore three constant 1 upon x log of plus 4 1 upon x square minus 1 upon कोएफिशिएंट असता तर डिनॉमिनेटरला आला असता प्लस c, and that is equal to 3 log of what is value of t. आपण t कशाबद्दल घेतला होता? साइन बद्दल घेतला होता. ते टाकून किंमत प्लस मायनस 4 अपॉन अगेन t sin x minus 2 plus constant of integration c, and hence the problem. बघा बरं काही टिपिकल आहे का? ओके.